Hi everyone, I'm in the Sabunoso Wilderness. This is about 45 minutes east of Las Vegas, New Mexico. And I'm coming to you with another installment of this series I'm doing, Backcountry Beer Reviews. So today we're doing a local beer from Albuquerque, New Mexico. It's from Cumbre Brewing, and it's the Elevated IPA, which is an American-style India Pale Ale. This beer is fairly legendary in Albuquerque for beer lovers. It won the 2011 gold medal at the Great American Beer Festival for American Style IPA. The description on the can says, "Drink me now." This IPA has been brewed with an obscene amount of the finest hops known to man. It is not meant to sit in a refrigerator. This gem is meant to be experienced fresh in all of its bitter, boldly hopped up glory. All right, guys, full disclosure, at Backcountry Beer Reviews, we don't always have the luxury of drinking cold beer. The last time I did one of these, I had a nice river running by with fresh snow melt, keeping it icy cold to keep my beer cool before I drank it. This time, there's nothing of the sort. It's really dry out here. I've only seen a little bit of water, no cold water, that's for sure. And so this beer is probably sitting around the upper 60s as far as temperature goes. But let's give it a sip. So this is one of the favorite beers that I have from New Mexico. I dare say it's probably top 3. That's why I had to do it for one of my, for my first local backcountry beer review. And as far as the flavor goes, it really starts off, you get this really intense pine, both in the palate and in your nose. And then like pretty quickly as it goes down your throat, that turns into sort of like a very bitter citrus. I would say grapefruit, maybe blood orange, but grapefruit sounds pretty accurate to me. I don't think that it has quite the fruity notes of a grapefruit, but it really has that bitterness that just like sucks the moisture from the inside of your mouth and begs you to take another sip. All right, guys, I think that's gonna be it for me. So cheers, and have a backcountry beer for me. Venerable Cumbre. Today we're doing a local beer, and it's the Venerable Cumbre Elevation. Damn it, why can't I get the name right? Today we're doing a local beer from